Hello, Sing with the Birds. I'm here with Pop Toy Reviews 21. Last time we did Kermit the Frog, and this time we are doing the Tin Man from 1937's The Wizard of Oz. The Tin Man is good, I guess. He's got a lot of details. I think he's one of the newer ones. I think the newer ones get detail. And yeah. Looks pretty good. And this is after Journey, because you see this. Okay, now that we have taken over the Tin Man, let's get the box. There's him again. And then there's all of them in the Wizard of Oz series. There's Dorothy and Toto, Wicked Witch, Winged Monkey. And, oh well, that series 1, series 2 came with the Tin Man, Scarecrow, Cowardly Lion, and Glinda the Good Witch. Then there's the full animation of him. Oh, and did I tell you he has an axe? Yeah. So that was the box. That's the top of the box and the bottom of the box. And that was the Tin Man. And let's tune in for tomorrow's, which is Rocky Balboa from Rocky. Or you can call him Sylvester Stallone. I don't know. All I know is I hope you enjoyed Pop Toy Review number 21, which was Tin Man. And tune in tomorrow for Rocky. And I will see you soon. And bye-bye.